welcome to your weekly reading. Now, before we kick off, many of you have said, how you doing? How's it going? So I just want to say it's going really, really well. I am still healing, still in process, but I'm making really positive strides and steps forward where what I've been doing in the energetic world is really filtering through into the physical and making positive physical changes. So really excited. Yeah, it's wonderful. Obviously, as I said before, once I start to get through most of it, turn the corner, like start to come out the other end, that's when I'm going to start to think about how I can share even more with you. But anyway, for now, here's the weekly. First of all, we have the star card, followed by, these are lovely energies, the Ace of Swords, and then the Lover's card. I've got a couple of other bits that I'll share, but let's begin here. Oh, the star energy, so beautiful. This is really positive. This is such a positive energy. So for this week, what they're wanting to say to you is you have every reason to be hopeful and optimistic and positive about what's unfolding, even though if we look at it through eyes of fear and from a place of fear, it can be a bit disturbing, worrying, concerning. But they're saying something incredible is unfolding here, folks, like we said before. So the star is hope. Oh, lovely. The other thing with this is that, well, I've got the water here, so there is a message about continuing to surrender and let go and give it up, you know. Oh my gosh, I've done so much of that. Ah, and even now, you know, today there's more to let go, there's more to surrender. When you think you've let go of your grip, let go some more. So yeah, with the water, it's the surrender and kind of unfold into this what is transpiring, what is being created by us as well. We're not victims here. We are part of this creation, this new creation. The star also, there is a promise here that there's a promise of protection and guidance and help and support. So if you feel that you're struggling in any way, and many people are struggling, hand it over. You know, what you're doing is you're handing the issue, the problem, the worry, the concern over to you know, a higher frequency, a higher vibration, whatever you want to call that, God, the universe, the divine. Hand that over. I've been doing that so much, you know. I just say things like, divine, God, I just don't know how to sort this out. I don't know what the next step is. Over to you. I let go. I surrender it. You guide me. You steer me in the right direction. You bring the right people, the right things to me. And that's what's been happening with my healing. It's been absolutely incredible. But I've had to really, really, really let go. And at first, there was a lot of fear for me personally. So, you know, it just kind of mirrors what's going on in the world. And I was looking outside for the answers. I have people still supporting me, but much more of it is coming from inside of me. So they're saying, look, we're helping you, guiding you, protecting you. We've got you. We're holding you. We are you. We are one. We're connected. Surrender, let go. We promise that we are helping. We haven't abandoned you. Such a lovely energy. I'm getting all shivers. Yeah, I think there's some messages in there for me as well. Oh, what a time. The Ace of Swords. Aces are all about new starts and new beginnings, new doors opening. But the sword means that it wouldn't have been an easy journey to get to this place, to arrive at this doorway that we're at, we're moving into now. Um, Blood, sweat, tears, agony, pain, all of that stress, worry, fear. It would have been tough. But with this card is the promise of victory. Can you see right on the top, you've got the crown. Now, when you see that often in tarot, it means you will be victorious. And I think this came through before. You are going to be all right. We are going to be all right. We are going to be more than all right. We're going to be more than okay. You will find an incredible victory, the other end of what we're going through here. But what they're saying to me, the biggest victory is going to come from this star, this surrender, this letting go, this trust, this faith in the future, this faith in what is happening, what's going on. And the Lover's card. Now, we talked last week about choices and decisions, and it's coming up again. However, they're still really emphasizing to me in my mind's eye that this is internal decisions, internal choices. Should I focus on this old program that keeps running and is triggered by the news and I'm like, oh my God, or do I make a different choice? Do I come from my heart? Do I come from my soul? Do I trust in the divine? Do I trust in the one? Do I surrender? Do I let go? So yes, choices and decisions, but this is still an internal job, an inside job here this week. This is also coming back to yourself, your higher self, who you truly are, inside. And I think more and more of us are getting the sense of that because we're having to isolate. So it's like, all you can do is go within, go within. That's what they're saying. Really big message. Many of you are. I mean, I am. Oh my gosh. But there's still moments, I'm sure you get it, where I get caught up in, the outside things. So it's a constant reminder to come back. Everything is inside. Let me share with you this. Oh my word. There is an incredible opportunity in what we are going through now. They're asking us to look for that, look and focus on the opportunity. What is right now? What is perfect? Because we are part of what is going on here. Our souls, our higher selves are part of the collective one. And we know exactly what we're doing here. So go deep or go high, whatever way you want to look at it. Search for the opportunities, search for the light, search for the positive. And I love the picture. Can you see that person with their arms open? I've been doing a lot of that recently. Receive, receive, receive. That's what they're doing here. Like, open up, open. If you thought you were open some more, surrender some more, because there's more to come in, they're telling us. There's more to come in. The energies, the frequencies, the vibrations. Some of you have had some incredible times through this period, the isolation and everything. But they're saying go deeper, go higher, go expand even more, because now we won't be in this isolation period forever. So they're saying reach new heights while you can, dive deep, expand, go beyond. There's more nuggets. Can you see the light pouring down? There's more. And the gold pieces, it's like gold nuggets, inspiration, So many of you, you know, meditate, open up, do whatever your thing is, to open up and allow it to just download into you and change. It feels like it's changing your cells, changing your DNA, just changing all of your vibrations and frequencies. There is an incredible opportunity this week. Now they keep flashing this up. Isn't this beautiful? 111, 3 ones. And they kept doing it over and over again. I was, as you know, I do my preparation beforehand. They flashed it, first of all, 4 times. I wrote that down like 4 times. There's some significance there. Let me tune in. And then they flashed it another 3 times. Oh, 7. And then they did it again and they just kept doing it. So I thought, okay, 111. They keep flashing it. Now, ones are very similar to the aces, so we've got new beginnings and opportunities, but I'm feeling like with the 3 there's some sort of, and it links to this, like breakthrough, some sort of breakthrough and opportunity this week, but it's more to do with your inner world, your inspiration, your who you think you are. They're saying don't be afraid of really tuning into that deep, incredible part of yourself. Now, there's lots of meanings, like we always say, but the one they keep flashing to me now is there is an element in this of leadership, of you not being afraid of who you truly are, not being afraid of showing who you truly are. They're saying, now after all that you're going through, don't let it be in vain. Don't go back to your old ways. Don't go backwards. You've got to keep moving forward and expanding. There's something about leadership for many of you that are watching where it's time, they're saying it's with me as well, step into your power, step into who you know you are, step into the things that give you the deepest joy, that are in line with your zone of genius. We've said that before with that Gay Hendricks idea of the zone of genius. Be a leader. What is your uniqueness? What's your unique ability? I'm just trying to see if I can get some other things with the 3 ones, but they're saying the opportunity, the new beginnings, and there's something about leadership for all of us. I was going to say all of you, all of us. Yeah, there'll be other things for other people that have tuned in, but I always say, this is about when I'm channeling, they just give me the things they want you to hear, and then other people watching will pick up other things as well. So there's lots of different levels and layers to this, as you probably know. So yeah, I can't get away. I just tried again to see if I could get something else, and they're saying don't be afraid of being the real you. Do not be afraid anymore. That was in the past. You're moving into completely different times, different energy, different world. In fact, the world is getting a fantastic uplift as we go through this massive, 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 massive uplift of energy, as are we. So, no going back. Only going forward, and only going into your expansive self, your true self, your authentic self. There is great opportunity this week, great opportunity. I hope it's a really good one, and I'm sending you lots of love, and thank you so much for watching.